Gucci gang. Oh, yeah. Big head on the beat. Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang. Spread their racks on new chain. My bitch love do cocaine.
Yo guys, MTK here, and today I'm gonna be reviewing the Gucci Ace with the bees. And I just bought these. I was walking in the city, I went to buy these, and then I was wearing my Gucci slides, which are pretty uncomfortable, and my pinky was hurting really bad. So I thought I was just gonna have a look, but then I had to get the shoes because I don't want to walk back in those. They were hurting my feet. So here's the box. Let's get into the shoes. So open this. So let's get into the shoes now, and this is just the receipt in black. It's a warranty. So let's open this up. It says Gucci there. Shoe. Let me just get rid of the tissue and stuff inside the shoe. The tissue is good inside the shoe, so it keeps the shape of the shoe. Because this is calfskin leather, so it's gonna get creased really easily. Oh, it smells good. Now we're gonna get straight into the shoe. Once again, just reduce it. So over here we've got the B stitched in gold, and this is the rest of the shoe. So it's got a different material here, if you can see, for the sole, which is gonna be harder to clean because it's got creases and stuff. So you might have to use a toothbrush or something. And the whole shoe is calfskin leather here. And the inside has a Gucci made in Italy engraved inside, and this at the back over here is Python. That's what the guy at the shop told. That's what he said. And one green, one red, and it's a bit shiny. Has a really nice flash. And hopefully this is my last pair of shoes because I keep buying shoes, so this is what they look like. For its sizing, I would, let me see. I would say go almost true to size, but you should go to the Gucci store and try them on. Because I bought them, I was gonna get a UK 11, but they didn't have that. They only had 11.5, and I usually wear 11, but these fit just right. So sizing is a bit weird on these. Some people go up, some people go down. So for these, I would actually suggest that you go to the store. Unlike most shoes which I purchase online, for these I went to the store and checked them, and then I bought them there. Because their fitting is not very normal. So you might want to just try them on in the store. And because it's calfskin leather, the shoe does expand, but I still got a half a size big, just because I don't like tight shoes. And over here, you can see it's gonna crease here really easily. It's already got some creases because I wore it. So for this, you might want to get a shoe tree and just keep the tissue paper stuffed in when you're not wearing them.
Gucci gang.
So this is what the shoe looks like. Both of them together.
My bitch love do cocaine. I fuck a bitch, I forgot name. I can't buy me no wetter rain. Rather go and buy ball mains.
So the guy in the shop told me that this is actual python skin. Not so sure about that, and he said it's gonna uplift, so that means it's just not gonna be as shiny and as like this. Like right now it's all going down in a smooth pattern, but it might start like, you know, just lifting up because it's scales of a snakeskin, and the guy said it's a natural aging process and that's not a defect of the product. So shoe is a bit heavy, feels good quality, and hopefully lasts me long. Let's see what they look like on feet now. Let's go.
Gucci on my sweater, Gucci on my dresser, Gucci on my ego, blow me if I let her. Yeah. we can buy Gucci together. Yeah, we gon' rock this Gucci shit forever. Forever, forever. Yeah, got me flexing Gucci up forever. Forever, forever.
So would I recommend buying these? Definitely yes. They're 7 out of 10 for comfort. And yeah, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll answer them all. And leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day. MTK off. See you next time.